May hapon! Nangaon ba? Marag lang sila tinanawan ng buong. Nagpa-make up ko para ninot ko tanaw, pero lain mo anang... Okay! Oh my God! Thank you so much for joining. Natalik na siya. Ready! Wala pa. Wala pa. Huwag magmamadali. Lahat ng solusyon. Lahat ng problema may solusyon. Okay, ready! Ready, set! Wala pa. Bless thee. Okay, very good. Bless. Okay, very good. Bless. Okay, ready? Go! Okay, ma. Okay, lahi ko na ako ng mga active. Active yung sila, no? Okay, lahi ko na ito. Oh, ma. Sumpagod na ko na ito siya, may. Sumpagod na ito, may. Sumpagod. Lahi, ibahin natin. Gagawin natin bira. Hala. Go. Bira. Hala. Bira. Hala. Okay, ready? Kung sino mang matalo dito ay may ano pa rin siya, may pa-premyo. Kiss. Dito. Isa lang. Bawal maraming isa lang. Tang-tang na lang. We have our winner! May pa-premyo ka mamaya.
You're not good. Oh, Manta. Anyway, good afternoon, everyone. Oh, excited na sila. Mga gwapa-gwapong pakaroon. Anyway, welcome to one of the most important day of our charming Ibadan, who is now turning into a fine lady. We are gathered here today to witness her debut, a life celebration. It's Princess 8th birthday party. We would like to thank everyone in this beautiful venue for gracing this momentous celebration. As they say, you only get to be 18 once. Thank you all for coming today. Hoy, mag-enjoy ta ha? Ano tayo kayo niya na ano? Thank you very much.
Please help me welcome